Last days I've been working with my 9mm AR project and it's finally ready. This whole project idea was to make very unique 9mm AR, and what is the best way to make unique gun? Do it yourself. If you watch my earlier video about this project, you can also see my homemade suppressor for this gun. And this bolt was still in progress at that time, but now this is ready. That barrel was actually quite easy to make, because it was barrel blank, it was already rifled. I just have to cut it in the right dimensions so it fits that upper, and I make thread at the end of this barrel and also make a chamber. But this bolt needs much more work. First of all, it was just a steel rod like this one, and all of these parts and all of these cuts, they are made with manual tools. And actually every part of this bolt is handmade. This top part, firing pin, this pin which holds the firing pin is handmade. This weight is handmade. Almost everything is this handmade. The spring is not handmade, but every other part is. So this is very unique bolt even now, because it is handmade, but I want to make it even more unique. So I make some carvings for that bolt. Here you can see. And I'm actually pretty happy with these results and how this bolt looks like. Firing pin also seems to work just fine. I finished these black surfaces with permablue. I'm not sure how long lasting that is, but it's just very easy way to make bluing at your home without any special chemicals. And about this cold color or brown color, I just heat colored this. I haven't test fired this yet. I just test that feeding and ejecting works. But next time when I go to range, I take it to the test. If you have any comments or questions, you can put them down below. Thank you for watching.